Top 5 Tips to Get Hired in Tech. In this video, we at SynergisticIT will provide you some tips that will help you commence a successful career in IT. Let's have a look. Number 1. Non-traditional education route can meet the current tech job demands. About 40% of tech jobs do not require a 4-year degree in computer science. Over the years, there has been an increase in fast-track IT training programs. So, rather than investing plenty of time and money in learning abstract concepts of CS, one should prefer enrolling in an upskill IT program. Number 2. Gain job-ready tech skills. Lately, IT companies have adopted a new hiring approach that mainly emphasizes skills. It enables job seekers to showcase their coding skills and get hired even if they don't have the traditional qualifications like engineering or computer science degrees. Number 3. Get experience. To accelerate your chances of getting hired by a tech company, you should get some real-world experience. Computer science students must look for summer job placements and internships. Number 4. Develop soft skills. Don't just learn coding skills but also work on your soft skills. Tech companies want leaders who can streamline their business operations with a result-driven mindset. To accomplish a high position in the technical sphere, you need to have fluent communication skills, a zeal to learn new methods, and a good work ethic, in addition to excellent command of coding. Number 5. Immerse yourself into programming. If you want to build an IT career, go above and beyond to ace the subject of coding. Don't escape any opportunity to enrich your programming knowledge. Subscribe to coding-related podcasts or audiobooks, join programming groups, bookmark some valuable blogs, etc. The tech industry provides thousands of job opportunities for candidates with the right skills and knowledge. Rise above the average learners of computer science graduates and gain practical skills to secure a job in IT. Stay tuned for more informative videos. SynergisticIT, home of the best data scientists and software programmers in the Bay Area. Call 510-550-7200.